to another episode of Voice of Red Hackle, a podcast of the Cadets by the Cadets for the Cadets. Today we have with us Ms. Veronica Sharma, who is a celebrated international host and anchor at D National. Welcome, ma'am.
Namaskar, Jai
Namaskar,
Hind.
ma'am. Jai Hind. How have you been doing, ma'am?
I'm good, thank you. Thank you so much for inviting me here today. It's my honor to be here and speaking to you.
Ma'am, pleasure is all ours. So, ma'am, could you please tell us which NCC battalion you are from and which college?
To Delhi Girls Battalion,
Right,
and
ma'am.
I was a student of Indraprastha College for Women, Delhi University.
Right, ma'am. So, ma'am, in which year you did NCC?
I joined in 2011. I really wanted to join NCC during my school days, but unfortunately, मेरे school में NCC था नहीं. तो college आके the first thing I did was joining NCC. I actually waited कि कब enrollment खुले और मैं enroll करूँ. And I enrolled in 2011. उसके बाद बहुत सारे camps किए, बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखी मैंने NCC में. But yes, 2011 was the year. आज से लगभग 14 years पहले.
Oh, right, ma'am. So, ma'am, you were very curious to join actually.
Yes,
So, what motivated you back then?
Adventure. For me,
Adventure.
NCC में मैंने सुना था कि drill होता है.
Right, ma'am.
But वो uniform की जो बात होती है,
The
I always
pride is
wanted to
there.
wear the uniform. So that was the main motivation, I would say. Adventure.
Right,
I've
ma'am.
been always an adventurous girl. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था नई नई चीज़ें try करना, adventure sports करना बचपन से ही.
Right,
And
ma'am.
during my school days also, I played at national level. And NCC was something, I was always motivated to join.
Right, ma'am. So, ma'am, what are the learnings from NCC which you think that helped in your professional life?
Well, it's a long list, What I am today, I give it to NCC. I remember मेरा एक camp था where they asked me to, just take the mic and start speaking.
Right,
and
ma'am.
for somebody like me coming from a humble background, मुझे इतना stage exposure कभी भी नहीं था.
You've never spoken
No,
before
never
that.
spoken before
Oh.
that. स्कूल में भी ऐसा होता था that I would just go back कि कोई thought of the day पढ़ने के लिए ना बोल दे.
Oh.
So I was one of those students. But NCC में senior under officer थी मैं. They gave me that position. And when you had to command hundreds of girls, hundreds of cadets, you had to have that power in you,
Right,
strong
ma'am.
voice in you. तो मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं my anchoring journey started very much there only. Kerala NIC में मुझे पहली बार stage संभालने के लिए बोला गया.
Right, ma'am.
And it was an official event. The colonel was also coming there, and many other dignitaries were also there. तो सबसे पहले स्टेज मैंने वहीं संभाला.
Right,
उसके
ma'am.
साथ साथ कल्चरल्स में भी I used to anchor during my NCC days only. So that's how it started. So
So
a
all-
huge credit goes to NCC.
Right, ma'am. So the whole journey started from there.
Absolutely,
itself.
yes.
Right.
It's another thing, very important thing. लोग इसको शायद नजरअंदाज कर देते हैं. But for me as an artist, I would say, जब आप command करते हैं, तो आपकी आवाज में जो बुलंदी आती है, that
Right,
power in your voice, you don't speak from your throat. You speak from your stomach, your abdomen.
Right.
That's how you use your voice. That actually helps as an artist when you any art form, I would say. अगर आप theatre भी कर रहे हैं, आप anchoring कर रहे हैं,
Right, ma'am.
तो आपके पास स्टेज पे माइक हो या ना हो, आपकी आवाज में वो बुलंदी हमेशा
It
रहती
needs
है.
to be there.
एंड दैट्स वेरी मच बिकॉज ऑफ NCC. कैडेट्स में आप देखेंगे जो कमांड करते हैं उनकी आवाज कितनी बुलंद होती है.
It is there.
और एंकर्स की भी आवाज बहुत बुलंद होनी चाहिए. प्रोफेशन ही ऐसा है. या कोई थिएटर आर्टिस्ट है उसके लिए भी इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Another thing, I would say, Deepak, is discipline.
Right, ma'am.
मुझे लगता है to reach any place in life you need to have
Discipline is
discipline, and
mandatory.
it's one of the main things that you learn from NCC. For me as an artist, as an anchor also, it's एक समय एक मिनट बहुत important होता है. You reach somewhere on time.
Right, ma'am.
It's very important. These are the basic ethics that you learn from NCC, and that's what made me what I am today.
Right, ma'am. So, ma'am, this discipline and punctuality, it is deep instilled in NCC
Yes,
actually.
yes.
And in the initial years of, when you are growing up, the cadets are instilled with these all qualities. So it really helps, in them in their personal life and both, professional life also.
Absolutely.
So, ma'am, there is this common stereotype that, NCC cadets, they only go for armed forces only. And you yourself, you are doing many things. You are a yoga trainer also, and then you are an international host. So how do you see this?
Well, it's a very big stereotype. Even back in my college days, I would always tell everyone that NCC is not just about drill. It's not just
Right,
about
ma'am.
ragda. इतनी सारी चीज़ें होती हैं जो हम इग्नोर कर देते हैं. लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज सबसे पहली बात. ऊपर से you get to have a huge cultural exposure.
Right.
You know, I remember going to camps and meeting people from across the country. जब आप NIC करते हैं, RD camps करते हैं, TSCs करते हैं, आप अलग अलग लोगों से मिलते हैं, उनका पर्सपेक्टिव जानते हैं. You know, I remember I went on a skiing camp. मैं अपने कॉलेज में शायद पहली लड़की थी जो स्कीइंग कैंप के लिए गई थी.
Oh, right, ma'am.
एंड यू नो इट चेंज द होल पर्सपेक्टिव कि अच्छा एनसीसी में स्कीइंग भी होता है. देन आई डिड पैरासेलिंग आल्सो. सी आई वांटेड टू डू एडवेंचर एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड.
That's what
चाहे वो
you did.
पैरासेलिंग हो, चाहे वो स्कीइंग हो. देन आई डिड शूटिंग आल्सो. आई प्लेड एट नेशनल गेम्स ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम. So many things. So it's not just drill. It's not, but yes, it is a part of
It is
NCC
part of
also.
NCC, right.
But there are so many other things that you can explore. And किसी भी career के लिए आपको तैयार करती है. I keep on telling my friends, you know, that you should have done NCC. It makes you accommodating in life.
It does, ma'am.
आप किसी भी कंडीशन में हैं, आप कहीं भी एडजस्ट हो सकते हैं, आप कहीं भी रह सकते हैं, आप में एक अलग तरह का कॉन्फिडेंस आता है, आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज चेंज हो जाती है जब आप एनसीसी करते हैं, तो आपको एक
Right,
स्ट्रेंथ
ma'am.
मिलती है.
So, ma'am, you mentioned that during NIC you got to connect with a lot of cadets,
Yes.
and now you are hosting international events. There also you get to meet a lot of people. So, how do you find both of things similar, and how do you adapt with this diversity?
Well, I'll tell you something very interesting. I was very fond of learning languages. अभी भी
Right,
मुझे
ma'am.
बहुत शौक है, मगर उस समय मैं कुछ कुछ वर्ड्स सीख लिया करती थी, कुछ कुछ सेंटेंसेस सीख लिया करती थी. आई वुड टेल माय फ्रेंड्स हियर कि अच्छा मुझे तो तमिल बोलनी आ गई है, मुझे
ma'am.
तो मलयालम बोलनी आ गई है, you know.
And some sentences you
हाँ
will speak.
बिल्कुल, some
right.
sentences I would speak. अभी भी मेरे shows होते हैं, कुछ international shows होते हैं where we have audience from the entire country.
Right, ma'am.
So I use those words, I use those lines, you know, it gives personal
Right.
touch. तो वो आज तक मेरे काम आ रहा है. प्लस एक इंटरेक्शन आप करना सीख लेते हैं लोगों से, आप बात करना सीख लेते हैं, वो आज तक मैं बड़े बड़े शोज करती हूँ, तो वो मेरे कहीं ना कहीं काम आता है.
It is there, ma'am.
It is there, yes.
Is there any unforgettable memory that you want to share with us from your tenure?
Oh, there's so many. Well, you know, when I look back there, जब हम शूटिंग प्रैक्टिस करते थे धूप में, सब
Right,
बोलते थे
ma'am.
कि बहुत टैनिंग हो जाएगी, लेकिन हमें कोई फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता था. आई रिमेंबर उस समय पे पहली बार नेशनल गेम्स हुई थी, और पहली बार हमें शूटिंग करने को मिला था. मेरा कोई
Right,
शूटिंग
ma'am.
बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, और शूटिंग एक एक्सपेंसिव स्पोर्ट है, मगर नेशनल गेम्स के दौरान आई हैड दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी बिकॉज ऑफ एनसीसी टू होल्ड द राइफल इन माय हैंड.
That's great. So, ma'am, you represented Delhi there.
Yes, yes,
Oh, that's
yes.
great.
So national games में I was representing Delhi in shooting.
Oh,
So तभी मुझे सब shooter दीदी, you know, my friends would call me shooter
right,
दीदी.
ma'am.
So
So that was your title in college.
Yes, yes. There were other titles also, but I would not take it here.
Right, ma'am.
But yeah, so many memorable experiences. Kashmir में हम एक बार थे. It was very cold. Every evening we would go out for acclimatization.
Right.
That
ma'am.
beautiful escapes, those beautiful memories, they always stay with me. And of course, the friends you make, you know,
Right,
those are the
ma'am.
friends for life.
The bondings you make in NCC.
I
that's
still
there.
have the best of my friends from NCC.
So, ma'am, you're also a yoga trainer, right? So, how has your journey been in yoga?
Well, it was my inner calling. I started doing yoga because I just felt connected with it. I did my graduation in philosophy.
Right, ma'am.
And talking about NCC and yoga, दोनों में ही अनुशासन है. You know, when you talk about the definition of yoga, the very beginning of yoga, it says atha yoga anuशासनम, that now let's begin the discipline of yoga.
Right,
So
ma'am.
yoga is it's all about discipline, and that's what NCC is. आपको एक अच्छा इंसान बनाता है. It brings balance in your life. दोनों का
does,
ही
ma'am.
सेम, चाहे वो योग हो या NCC हो, it actually brings balance. From every aspect of you gets balanced. Your mental, your physical health, ये दोनों ही चीजें योग में मिलती हैं. तो वही सभी चीजें जो आप एनसीसी में देखेंगे, सुबह जल्दी उठना, एक डिसिप्लिन लाइफ जीना, वही सब योग में होता है.
It is there,
So
ma'am.
these two things are very much connected, I would say.
So, ma'am, you mentioned that yoga brings balance. So, how can NCC bring yoga into their training and help cadets?
देखिए, I think मुझे like for me when I was a cadet, सुबह उठने की समस्या थोड़ी सी सभी को रहती थी ना.
Right, ma'am.
लेकिन जब आप थोड़ा सा सुबह उठ के ध्यान करना शुरू करते हैं, when you start meditating in the morning, just 5 minutes of practice bring focus in you, bring sharpness in your
Right,
body.
ma'am.
Plus when you do drills, when you do any other adventurous sports, any other activities, you need to have strength. आपकी बॉडी का पोस्चर अच्छा होना चाहिए, ये सब चीज़ें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Right,
व्हेन यू डू
ma'am.
ड्रिल्स, छोटी मोटी चीज़ों में मस्कुलर पेन्स होने लग जाते हैं आजकल. वी आर नॉट दैट स्ट्रांग हाउ आवर पेरेंट्स यूज्ड टू बी. सो व्हेन यू इनकलकेट योगा एज अ कैडेट इन योर लाइफ, यू गेट स्ट्रेंथ, आपका पोस्चर अच्छा हो जाता है, आप बहुत और पर फोकस्ड हो जाते हैं, योर नेचर बिकम्स मोर कामर. तो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. प्लस
Right, ma'am.
छोटी मोटी इंजरीज जो ड्रिलिंग के दौरान या किसी और आप एक्टिविटी करते हैं उस दौरान हो जाती हैं, उससे भी आप बच सकते हैं व्हेन यू डू
Right,
योगा.
ma'am. So, ma'am, you have represented India globally in more than 10 countries. So, what advice would you give to cadets who are aspiring to, represent India in global stages?
Uh, well, I always tell cadets, students, and all my friends also that always work on developing your skills.
Right.
आपके जो भी skills हैं, आप उन पे passionately काम करें. Of course, you have to do so many other things for the sake of doing it. मगर एक
Right.
skill आप पकड़िए, just choose one skill and get completely involved in it. When you do anything in your life, involvement is very important. किसी भी skill को involvement के साथ करें. That's how you become actually productive.
Right.
There's so many people who are just doing things for the sake of it. But do something because you really want to do it. Find your ikigai, find your purpose. And in doing so, you're not just doing something for your own self, you're actually doing things for others around you
Right.
also.
How are you helping the society? Does
Right. जब आपके पास वो स्कोप होगा कि आप अपने काम से satisfied हैं, then actually you'll have scope to think about others.
Right.
When you're unhappy about your own self, about your own work, you're just doing some job for the sake of it, how can you be actually productive for the nation?
Right,
You're
ma'am.
just, आप economy में थोड़ा बहुत मदद कर देंगे, उससे ज़्यादा you're not doing anything. So yes, follow your passion, work on your skill. Skills are very important.
They are, ma'am.
Everything can go aside. आप skills पे काम करें, passion के साथ करें, discipline के साथ करें, honesty के साथ करें. Reach on time. That's very important. It's a virtue that it's people don't care about it. But अगर आपको you were supposed to reach somewhere at 10, reach at 9:55.
Right.
These small things makes a lot of difference. Time management,
It does,
discipline. और एनसीसी ये सभी चीज़ें आपको सिखाता है. So for a lot of youngsters, I would tell them that get enrolled in NCC. Everyone should get compulsory NCC training,
Right,
because
they should.
these small things, small little things that you miss on learning during your school, you learn with NCC.
Ma'am, we do have. So, ma'am, with all these qualities, which NCC inculcates in cadets. So, how do you think that this organization is helping in nation building?
So I was just told that जब आप इस तरह के इंसान होंगे, when you have purpose, when you have discipline, so for an organization also, you'll be an honest employee. You will be somebody who will be accommodating,
Right, ma'am.
mindful. आप किसी भी situation में अपने आप को adapt कर पाएंगे. You're not somebody who can just be easily broken.
Right.
आप mentally strong होंगे, आप physically strong होंगे, आप emotionally strong होंगे, आपका bond अच्छा होगा लोगों से. So overall, it's making a good human being. That's very important. Before any other thing, you become an officer in the forces, you become an artist, you become whatever you want. But
Right,
it's very
ma'am.
important to become a good human being. And NCC actually teaches you to be a good human being. The very core values, unity and discipline.
Right, ma'am,
Just
that's
two
fair.
of these values, sums up a lot of things.
Despite the career or profession you choose, they are the mandatory things. Actually.
Yes. अगर आपके जीवन में discipline ही नहीं है, no matter you reach at the top position, people will not value you. Or that this person always comes late.
Right,
This
ma'am.
person is not punctual. This person is not honest. So gain your own wealth. These things are your wealth, and
They do
people are
matter.
actually getting inspired from you. That you
Right,
look up to
ma'am.
that person. You're doing something for the society, not just for the sake of yourself. I remember during my NCC days, उस समय पोलियो कैंप्स हुआ करते थे.
Right, ma'am.
So I had this chance to पोलियो ड्रॉप्स के लिए हम जाते थे.
Right. So you used to
Selfless
volunteer
service.
for
We
that,
used to
right?
volunteer for that. We talk in our text, in our literature. गीता में लिखा है निष्काम कर्म के बारे में, that you do selfless work. You work for the society. तो selflessness सीखते हैं हम NCC
Right,
में.
ma'am.
When you do such things, मुझे कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है पोलियो ड्रॉप्स पिला के ना, बट अगेन मैं सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ कर पा रही हूँ. तो आज भी वो सारी वैल्यूज़ मेरे अंदर हैं. मैं हमेशा छोटी छोटी चीज़ें देखती हूँ कि मेरे आसपास any species, any animal, any human that I can give to that.
Right,
So
ma'am.
these values are very
So this
important.
question comes to mind that how can you help this society? How can you do what can you do for the people actually? It is there. So ma'am, you have lived a life being connected with art, yoga, anchoring, and many things. So how do you think what advice will you give to the cadets who want to pursue multifaceted career options?
Keep your horizon open. Don't just get stuck to one particular thing. That it's okay to, it's good to have goals, and
Right, ma'am.
it's very important to work towards your goals consistently. आप अपने goals के लिए काम करो, मगर अगर वो नहीं होता है, so don't get upset. It's fine to fail, it's fine to restart, it's fine to just keep on going. Have a
Right,
goal,
ma'am.
work with consistency, and you work with consistency, honesty, you will get the result, you will get the fruit for sure. If not your goal, then there must be other things for you. Like for me, I always wanted to join forces, but I still thank Almighty for where I am today, and I'm very grateful just because उस समय मैंने ये नहीं सोचा कि ये नहीं तो कुछ नहीं.
Right,
So
ma'am.
keep your doors open.
Even if you feel it's something, there is another thing waiting
Yes,
for you.
yes. There are better options, better people waiting for you. So
Right,
don't
ma'am.
lose hope. Hope is the best thing, best of all.
It is there, ma'am. It is there. So, ma'am, there are cadets who want to, make their career in anchoring and hosting. So, what is going to be your advice for them? How should they start? Those initial things they should do.
Well, the first thing for me also, as I mentioned, that I started because of NCC only. तो
Right,
अगर वो
ma'am.
NCC में है तो half of the things are already done.
Right, ma'am.
They already have speaking abilities. They already have a lot of knowledge of the things which are happening around them. So yes, keep yourself updated. It's a very important thing, and you have to choose your direction. You want to host the stages, you want to be a TV anchor.
Right.
Well, these two things are very different. If you want to start TV, then the first thing that you should do is observe. आप सबसे पहले ऑब्जर्वेशन से सीखते हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी गुड एंकर्स. मैं आज तक उनको देखती हूँ. द ओल्ड एंकर्स ऑफ द दूरदर्शन टाइम्स, व्हेन आई लुक एट देम, दैट्स surreal. Their voice quality, the bass in their voice, the pause in their voice, and that therav in their voice. These qualities are very important. And how do you learn them? आपके पास content अच्छा होना चाहिए. जब आप पढ़ते हैं, when you're well read, your content is good.
It is there, ma'am.
And you have to be just आपको समझना है कि आपके आसपास की परिस्थितियाँ कैसी हैं. What are the situations around you? तो जब आप ये सब छोटी छोटी चीज़ें समझने लगते हैं, you're already on your way to become an anchor.
Right, ma'am.
For example, you want to do stage. Now stage, I do corporates. I've done a lot of shows for ministries. I've recently hosted for the United Nations also. Now, confidence has to be there. That's very
Right, ma'am.
important. Your diction has to be very good in both of the languages. I always focus on Hindi. English तो हम अक्सर बोल ही लेते हैं, because nowadays English is more common than Hindi.
Right, ma'am. It's
And
there.
Hindi has to be like good Hindi, not the regular Hindi that we speak. So work on your diction. That's very important to become an anchor, at least at a good level.
Right, ma'am.
So first is confidence, second is diction in both the languages Hindi and English, and public speaking skills आपके कितने अच्छे हैं, आप voice
Right, ma'am.
modulations किस प्रकार की करते हैं. For example, I'm just speaking to you. You just speak to your friends in a way that you're interviewing them, or take the lead. Stand amongst 10 people and start telling them any random thing. For example, I want to tell you a story, okay? Do it with all the modulations and expressions. Add all these things in your
That's
words.
how you practice.
Yes,
actually,
that's
right,
how we
ma'am.
practice. And gradually, see, nobody wants those anchors जो पढ़ के कुछ content बोल
Yeah,
रहे हैं,
get you, ma'am.
certain modulations आप सीखें, आप अपने शब्दों में भाव लाना सीखें. Learn to be more expressive while you are speaking. When you do these things, you are already a good anchor.
It is there, ma'am. So, ma'am, how do you think that yoga helps a public speaker?
Well, usually जब आप किसी भी प्रकार की public speaking करते हैं, or any other art form, I would say there's a certain level of performance anxiety.
It is there, ma'am.
You talk about musicians, बहुत लोगों को stage fright होता है. Even for me also, I had a lot of stage fright. But when you do yoga, yoga teaches you to be in the present, to be more focused of yourself. You know, now because I practice yoga, I've reached at a level where when I talk, I'm able to make connection with my audience with confidence.
Right, ma'am.
I don't get scared that they're judging me. This kind of mindset only yoga can give you. You're more confident about your posture, that yes, my spine is straight, my brain is more
Right,
active.
ma'am.
There's a connection between your spine and your brain. It's very important to understand it as an artist that you're always more confident when your spine is straight. तो एनसीसी में भी जब सावधान कराते हैं ना, it's only
Sure.
to make you more aware.
Then you are attentive.
Yes,
actually,
you're more
right?
attentive. So that's very simple basic thing, that your spine is straight, you're active, you're aware. तो जब आप स्टेज पे होते हैं तो ये सब चीज़ें हेल्प करती हैं. प्लस आई did my masters, and the topic of my thesis I did my masters in yoga, and the topic of my thesis was how yoga can help in performance anxiety in anchors. So anchors में बहुत आम बात है. It's very common in anchors to have performance anxiety.
Right.
And you see basic things, your eyes will start flicking a lot, and there's less a blackout. You don't know what to speak next. This all happens because you're thinking too much about future. You're thinking too much about the others around you. You're focusing too much on results. This is all
Right.
yoga philosophy, that you
It's
be in
not-
the
you're
present.
not being in the present, actually.
Yes.
That's the matter.
You focus on your work. Again, I'm quoting Gita again. It says, "Karmanya vadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachan ma karma phal heturvur mate sangotsu karmani." That says, I am the doer. My work is only to do work. I should not be worried about the results. And it's very important as an anchor, as an artist, or anyone in life, that you just focus on doing your work. If your focus is on making so many people happy, of course that will be there if you are doing it perfectly, but your focus should be on your work. So as an anchor, these basic points of yoga philosophy really help me when I do pranayam. It helped me channel my breath, my energies. You'll notice a very simple basic thing: whenever you're nervous, whenever you're anxious, you will have disturbance in your breath. It's just basic observation, but
Right.
we don't do it. So whenever you're nervous, you will have variations in your breath. Yoga really helps there also. You understand how to have deeper breaths. You learn how to calm your breath
So
during
that
that time.
control is there.
Yes, yes, yes.
That balance and that mindfulness,
Balance,
it comes
control.
from you.
Yes, absolutely.
So beautifully put, ma'am.
Thank you.
So, ma'am, we also have a rapid fire round for you. So, let's go ahead with that.
Sure.
So, ma'am, the first question is one word that best describes your NCC journey.
Wholesome.
Oh. Ma'am, your proudest leadership moment.
Getting on the stage during NISC
Oh.
when I actually had to command 700 cadets.
Right, ma'am. So next is most memorable international event you hosted.
Recently, ITU WTSA for ITU WTSA for United Nations.
Right, ma'am. So, ma'am, NCC's impact on your public speaking skills in one sentence.
I cannot express this in one sentence, but maybe just one word. I would say it has been incredible.
That's great.
It has given me so much. Whatever I am, I give it to NCC.
Right, ma'am. So, ma'am, one lesson from NCC that still influences you.
Discipline. The lesson of discipline, it still stays with me. I'm a
Right,
very
ma'am.
punctual artist also. And for an artist, for anyone in life, it's very important to be honest and disciplined.
Right, ma'am. So, ma'am, before we end the podcast, what is going to be your piece of advice for Amritkal cadets?
You are the Amritkal cadets of this time. Well, the scenarios have really changed, I would say. NCC back then and what NCC is now, there's a huge difference. You have a lot of the things to do. One thing that you all should always remember: make your nation proud. India is amazing. After traveling so many countries, meeting so many people, there's nothing like our country. Make our nation proud, and you can only do so by understanding its cultural and heritage values.
Right, ma'am.
First of all, you become aware that how good this nation is where we live in, how compassionate the people are,
Right, ma'am.
how kind the people are, how intelligent the people are. We are born on this land. Have this feeling of proud calling yourself an Indian. And that's how you make our nation proud.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was such an honor to have you here.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Wishing
ma'am.
you all the best.
Thank you and Jai Hind.